when we are talking about the challenges in order to create the sustainable development for our societies, that we realize that we do not only need to find support in our own societies through the electorate, through partnership, social dialogue, but it's also important to get international institutions along. I can just make a reference to a report of the IMF that came out some months ago, in which the IMF literally warned Aruba for the choices we are making for sustainable development, that it could be too expensive, that the risk could be too high. It would be very difficult for countries, but definitely for small island countries, to take these huge steps and overcome these important challenges when you leave the society as we know it behind and choose for a new concept. If international institutions do not recognize the importance of a better quality of life next to the numbers that are so important, it is crucial that we can also convince these institutions that behind every number is a person. Behind every number, there's a school that needs repair. Behind every number, there is a community that needs to find stronger social fibers to bind it together. It is important that institutions also recognize that in the choices we have to make as countries, that we need to find a way that the economic development is translated into well-being of our citizens. And the sustainable path that we have chosen and that brought you all together here today is the only good and correct answer based upon also our stewardship, which our Creator has given us the responsibility to be here on earth, to create a better society for all human beings. So thank you very much. May God bless you on this important task that you also have for you, for your country, and all the institutions you represent here today. Thank you very much. May God bless you.